Just pick up Mimi and babysitter. Careful, you don't shout because you have cough. Enough. Baby Lija. Ate Nani is holding baby Lija. You cannot move there. Okay? I check how many minutes from the gate be. Never die. Who's die you asking? Ate Charlene? Ate Charlene at home. Very soon we home. We just only 3 minutes more. Mimi looking. Don't move, Mimi. Baby, it's inside our village. Yes, almost home. Yeah, almost home. You are right. Yeah, Kong to hand driving car. We almost home. Yes, Ate Nani, what is? Yes, we almost home. Wow, sunset, it's so nice, the sunset. Sunset. Yes, we home. Open the gate. Kong open the gate. Just 4 minutes. I'm baby cute. Love baby. Love baby. On the way, open the gate first. There we go. You see my papaya. Yes, daddy car outside. Yes, we home. Yes, we home.
Okay.
Okay.